Hi, welcome to Yvette's Kitchen. Today I am doing a honey ginger salmon with balsamic and garlic asparagus. Okay, so I have my salmon here and it looks so beautiful. Look how pretty it looks, right? Salmon is high in omega-3s. It's a great source of protein. It has vitamins like psyllium, B1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, and 12 of the B vitamins. It has potassium and it has the antioxidant and astaxanthin. So it's high in that antioxidant, and it may reduce heart disease because of the omega-3 fatty acids, and because of that, it also fights inflammation. So what I like to do, I usually like to clean my fish a little bit, just a teeny bit. And I like to put a little bit of lemon juice on it, front and back. You don't have to do this, but I like to do this just to prep it a bit. And I've mentioned before about the triple blend flakes. Instead of using salt, I use it's dulse, laver, and sea lettuce. So I like to put this on my, I use it on everything basically. See? And it's better than salt. Give me 1 second, don't follow me. And some pepper. Okay, so this is basically what I do. Now I'm going to create the ginger glaze. So this you're gonna put to the side for now. I also use garlic for my ginger glaze. Garlic has medicinal properties. It helps fight the common cold. It can reduce blood pressure, and it also can lower cholesterol levels. So garlic is amazing. So you're gonna take like a little pan like this. All right. Oh, before I do this, I wanted to first go over how we do the asparagus. So we have the salmon to the side right now. What I do with my asparagus, and as you can see, I already started making these. I cut off the ends, and I chopped up a couple of cloves of garlic, and I put it on here. You see the little pieces. And I put a little bit of the olive oil on it, and I kind of mix it up together. And what I do now, I added my dulse flakes already, and you could add a little bit of garlic salt just for extra flavor. And folks, I'm Latina, so I love having extra flavor. So you could sprinkle a little bit of this on there. Kind of squish it a little bit, right? And to give it more flavor, you're gonna add the olive oil, of course, which I already did. I added a little bit of olive oil on here, but I'll add a teeny bit more just so folks can see. I kind of like to pre-prep my stuff, because if not, the videos will be forever too long. And you're gonna kind of mix it all up together like this. See? Wash my hands again, wash my little spoon. And you're gonna take the balsamic vinaigrette, and you're gonna take a little teaspoon like that, depending on how much you have. And you're going to kind of put it all over these bad boys like this. You can add a little bit more, which I am, because for me it's not enough. Now, for me, that's enough. And you're just gonna, you know, kind of swish it around. Some of my garlic is here on the bottom of the pan, so, you know. And this is how it is. This is what it looks like. I'm putting this to the side because that's gonna go into my oven for a little bit. I'm gonna put that in my oven. So now back to my salmon. You're gonna take a little saucepan, see? And you're going to take the garlic, and like I said, you could do 1 clove or 2. I did about, I always do a lot of garlic because I like garlic. I think this is like 2 cloves, 2 or 3 cloves that I chopped up. About 2, yeah. And you're gonna put that in there. Turn on your heat. Now you're gonna take half a cup of honey and you're gonna pour it in. You can do organic honey if you want. I like doing organic honey. You don't have to. Work with what you have and what you can afford. You know, but what I do say is I like buying my honey local as opposed to buying it like from someone out of the state of New York. Since I live in New York, I like buying stuff that's local to my area because I'm a seasonal eater. So I like eating what's in my area. So I usually buy my honey at the local farmer's market or from a local beekeeper because, you know, that's what I want. That's what I prefer. So now what we're going to do, we're going to use some soy sauce. I like the less sodium soy sauce because soy sauce has 1 gram of protein, but it's very high in sodium. So I'd get the low sodium brand. And you're gonna want to put a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. And again, I prefer doing low sodium because we don't want all that sodium. Okay, this is a 1/4 cup of, and I'm adding that to my mixture. And I'm going to clean up this backboard because I'm going to need this later. Okay. Putting this to the side. This goes in the garbage. I recycle. I don't know if you people do, but I recycle. Yeah, I'm one of those people who recycles. And I'm going to take my wooden spoon and I'm going to start mixing this up a little bit, lower the heat a bit. Now, you can use a 1.5 inch piece of ginger. But to make my life easier for this video, I bought this. It's called Ginger Squeeze and it's ground ginger, like in a paste. It smells good. So, this is what I usually use just to make my life easier. Or you can take the ginger and just grind it up and put it in there. And I put about 1 of these spoons or half of these spoons in there because, oh wow, it smells really good. I mean, this is like really good. Put a teeny bit more. And you can put really, I mean, the recipe calls for 1.5 of ginger, but you don't have to do that. If you want more of a ginger flavor, you can do that. It's what you like. Like I said, I love flavor, so. So you're gonna just leave it there for now. And I'm washing these up while that simmers a bit. I'll put this to the side right now. Okay, so my fish is there. This is here on there, on the stove. And I'm gonna stir it a little bit more. Wow, this is really smelling really, really good. And my asparagus smells good, just sitting there. So while that is, let me taste this. You know, I've been cooking most of the day, so, oh, yeah. I think I'll put a little bit more of ginger because I love ginger. And ginger is soothing to the stomach. And if you suffer from vertigo, taking ginger is great. It helps with the symptoms of vertigo. Okay, you just want to stir this up. I'm going to raise my heat a little bit more. So what we have in there, we have the honey, the soy sauce, the garlic, and some ginger. Okay, asparagus. Asparagus has fiber. It's low in calories. It has folate, vitamins A, C, and K, and it also helps to improve digestion. And olive oil is an anti-inflammatory, has anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidants, and it has healthy monounsaturated fats in it. And balsamic vinegar, okay, balsamic vinegar has antimicrobial properties in it. Oh, it's good to fight cholesterol. That's almost ready. It helps lower blood pressure and triglycerides. Oh no, that's that. That's honey. I read the wrong thing. It promotes healthy digestion and lowers cholesterol. And the honey helps to lower blood pressure and triglycerides. So, oh yeah, this is ready, folks, and it smells amazing. Okay, so this is what it looks like. See? Oh, it smells good. Can you smell it, camera person? Okay, I'm gonna pour this back in here for now because we want to let that cool a bit for now. And I'm going to get a pan to put my salmon in it. I'm going to wash this bad boy up. From here. So here's my salmon, here's my pan. If you want, you can put some olive oil on your pan. I don't do it because I'm gonna have the sauce on it, so my towel fell. I'm going to take my salmon, put it here. You could brush it. I just like to pour it over. And use a spoon to kind of mix it around. You can do this. I like putting it on both sides. And this is very simple to make. And it makes your salmon taste amazing. So my both sides have this on it. And you're gonna put this to in the broiler at 400. What you're going to do now, because you want to save the rest of this for your salmon. Once your salmon comes out, you want to save this to put on it. You're just going to do this. without creating the mess I created. Because you just want to keep just the sauce now and get rid of all the other stuff, the pieces of the garlic that are there. Okay? Wipe this clean. And you're going to put this to the side. So now, like I said, you're going to set your oven, the broiler, at 400, and you're going to put this in the broiler. And you're also going to put your asparagus also in, these you're going to put to bake, and that you're going to put to broil, but you could put them together if you want in the oven. And your salmon, the results will be this. And look how beautiful it looks, and it's so super, super yummy. I'm making extra so I can have some for lunch. This is my dinner tonight. And this is what your asparagus will look like. It smells so, so, so good. So there you go. That's the recipe. Or I will post the recipe below. You can also find this recipe. It is in my new Lupus cookbook. It was supposed to be posted already, but it's taking some time because before I had it posted and we got a beautiful cover for it. My graphic designer, she's amazing, but I found some errors that I made in the book, so I'm fixing those, and then once it's done, it'll be out there, and I will post a link if you're interested in buying it. But this is one of the recipes that will be in it, the honey ginger salmon with balsamic asparagus with garlic. Also, follow me on YouTube. On YouTube, Yvette LeBoy, Lupus Wellness Coach. Just subscribe to my page. Here on Facebook, Yvette LeBoy, Lupus Wellness Coach. On Instagram, I am One Holistic Diva. And on Twitter, I am Holistic Gal. Thank you for joining me today here at Yvette's Kitchen. I will see you soon. Oh, one more thing. I'm doing a spring cleanse. I have 2 spots left still. It's $19.99. We're doing a 2-week cleanse, and we're also doing a lymph cleanse, and then a 14-day parasite cleanse. If you are interested in that, inbox me. Until then, like I said, I'm Yvette LeBoy. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen, and I will see you at my next live. Bye.